Welcome to Naked Trader Tutorials. In this video I will show you how to draw a Fibonacci retracement in TradingView. So first select the asset you want to draw. Then second, go to the left. You see the bar here. There's this icon with a bunch of layers and two dots on it. You can also expand this. It's called the Fib retracement. And that is what you want to use. You go to the start of the impulse, click on the mouse, and then to the highest point of the impulse, click on the mouse, and that is how you draw the Fibonacci retracement. You see the levels, and with each levels you can expect some movements or interaction. So that was it for this video. Thank you guys and see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.